Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 12th. Get in the house and close the door. Yeah.
I think he's going to probably have 4 or 5 loads for the truck.
Oh, I would imagine at least that. Yeah, at least that. Yep, at least.
So, these logs have to be cut.
Not these ones right here, because it's small enough to fit in the back of the truck.
There's a big piece of metal right there near that log.
He'll get everything out of there, Ma.
No, I mean, you might have to pull that up so the blade doesn't hit it.
Right. So anyway, guys, today is the 12th of October. It is Tuesday, and look at the sky. It's going to absolutely be a gorgeous day here today. And so Bill is here this morning, and I got my gear ready as well for what?
For
Doing the chainsaw. Yep. But
this is going to be so much better.
this here area right here is the future home of the woodshed.
Yes.
Down the road. But this whole area had to be cleared out first before we could do anything anyway. So now what he's doing, and I'll show you guys this, he's taking that load of this stuff . And he is just taking it, putting it right in the back of his truck. I think he's going to go around the other side and make sure that one log is okay. I guess it is. There was a bunch of crap up in through this whole area as well. There was a couple of smaller stumps out here that he dug out already today. I'll tell you what, guys, Bill is an incredibly busy man, and I'm just happy he's here.
Yeah, if you can cut those, they put off the side, at least cut them in half here.
Okay, all right.
Then I can get them in the bucket and in the truck.
Okay, all right. Do you have a full load yet, or?
I got a full load right now. This is going to take a few.
Oh no, I know, I figured that. No, there's a lot of stuff there. Yeah. So, all right. Well, when you were driving that back, I'll zip all this up.
Yeah.
And when you
I'm
get.
going to run that over right now.
Yeah, that sounds fine.
I'll shoot right back.
Yeah, but like, yeah, if you want to this one here, if you want to take that one right out of there, that's fine.
Well, that's tight. That is a fruit tree of some sort. It could be a cherry tree.
Oh.
I started to push on it with the dozer and I see the tree tip and it's growing. I guess what you'll have to do probably is just shovel around and dig it or cut it off as close as you can to the.
Oh, the other.
If I take it out, the tree's coming out.
Go ahead, take that out, because I'm gonna put different trees all through here anyway.
Okay. Well, I was going to say I can knock that over, and if you just want to cut that in a couple pieces for me.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be easier for me to get in and out.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, clear that right out of your way.
Yeah, I'll just push it right.
Yeah, because what we'll do too, with like when we get further into this with the bulldozer, I'll have you clear up all around these, because those trees here, they're all going to be coming out. So if you can clean up around them as well as you can, and like I said, down by the other wood pile, there's like little nubs and crap. Yeah. All right, cool. Well, I'll
push this right over before I leave, and if you want to.
I'll buck it up. Yeah. Yep, I can do that.
Yeah,
all right, cool. Alright, so we got started on this, guys, and so obviously I'll be doing several videos today, and like I said, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to work with the chainsaw. Maybe I'll throw that on a video as well for you. I'll get all geared up and ready to go, and we'll go from there. But so it's a start. We're going to go, I'm going to have them clean up tight to the back of this, get all this other stuff out of here, and we'll just, so this, like I said, this particular spot right here behind the yellow shed is going to be the future home of their wood shed, so they can come out of the back porch and come out here. We'll make a little path, and they'll have a little area, you know, they'll have a wood shed like we built on the other side. And but that's what we're going to work on. So this is all going to get flattened out through here as well. He'll get this all squared away. It'll look nice. But yeah, there's going to be several loads that he's going to pull out of here. But I'm going to have to get out here. Like I said, I got my chainsaw and everything up front, and so I just didn't get my hearing protection, so I got to go back into the shop and get that. But you know, like I said, this is one of those projects that we wanted to get done this year, and we're getting it done this year, which is awesome. And Bill is amazing, and good dude. Did he leave that bulldozer running? Sounds like it, doesn't it? Anyway, so he's just left with that load, and he'll be back. So I need to go and get geared up here and get ready to rock. So anyway, guys, really quickly, my website, preppernurse1.com. We have the Prepper Nurse 1 community there, which is set up for you guys as a resource to be able to connect with like-minded people. Free to join, but you do have to register, and but no credit card information is asked at all. So it's totally free. It's a good resource to be able to connect with like-minded people, like I said. And so I would encourage you to take advantage of that. Also, if you're looking to read the message boards or trying to find somebody in your state or your country, that's what it's there for. Also remember, we have the Forefathers, which is a CBD and hemp store. If you go to my website, preppernurse1.com, you will see their logo, the Forefathers logo. If you click on that, it will take you to their website. Once you're on their website, if you make a CBD or hemp purchase, hey Maxie, what's up, baby boy? If you go there and you decide to make a purchase over there, when you check out, you can save yourself 15% by using the discount code PrepperNurse1, and that's O-N-E. I mean the number 1, not O-N-E. Sorry. Last but not least, we have the Legacy freeze-dried foods on my website, which if you go again, preppernurse1.com, you will see the Legacy freeze-dried foods. You click on store, it'll drop down, it'll say Legacy Foods. You click on that, it will take you to the store within the website. What we have available is there. Definitely take advantage of that. And so that is that. But 25-year shelf life, GMO free. Gluten options available for people that need it. It's vegetarian, but you can purchase beef and chicken separately. So that is what's going on with that. So I am going to jump off of here for now and get geared up, and maybe I'll just do another video and show you me working that chainsaw a little bit. Remember guys, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. And here he is, Mr. Buddy. Some people were asking about you. They said, where has Mr. Buddy been? You gonna go in? Yeah? Okay. No? He's so funny. But also remember guys, hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from reaching your goals is you. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? Set your goals, make them happen, and that's it. And don't let anybody stop you from achieving what you want to accomplish. All right, I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now. You coming this time? I'm going to go in here for a minute, so if you want to come on. Well, come on, Mr. Man. Buddy. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, come on. Max is coming. He says, yeah, I'll come in. You coming, buddy? Unbelievably. Mom and Beck got these other cats spoiled like crazy. They go over there all the time now for their treats. So, I guess not. Alright. Alright, guys. I'll see you later.